In today's video, I'm going to share one of the best tips to help you save your lawn even during the heat of summer. Now when things get hot, your lawn might start to get crispy like this, you'll have brown areas, and you just assume it's got to be lack of water. But look a little bit closer. Here on my lawn, I've got green sections and plenty of them, but I've also got lots of dead areas as well. If you've got a lack of water, your lawn is typically going to be completely dead, but most people get a situation like this. So what exactly is going on here? Well, the answer is right under your feet, or it might be on top of the grass, and that's insect damage. Now, bugs in the lawn can be kind of tricky to diagnose. Many people know about grubs, but there are lots of others that'll kill the grass blades or the roots, and that's exactly what I've got going on here. Because I've got that field around the back of my lawn, they're migrating onto the grass. That's why the section by the woods doesn't have nearly as much damage. And even if you don't live on a hill like this, if you've got a neighbor with a crummy lawn with lots of bugs, they will find their way onto yours, and there are also other kinds that can fly and just land on your grass as well. So this can be kind of complicated because there's so many kinds of bugs on top of the grass and below, but fortunately I use one product that kills all those bugs in just a single step, and it works fast. And I want to stop this damage as quickly as possible and give my lawn a chance to recover before the end of summer. But if I let this thing totally burn out, I'm not going to have anything left. This product called Duocide by the Andersons is simple to use, and this single bag will treat up to 20,000 square feet. Now they got smaller bags as well, but this is so popular because it's really the only product on the market that's going to treat the bugs on top of the soil and below. And putting it down is even easier than fertilizer. You're just going to load it into your drop spreader, adjust the settings for your model based on what they give you on the bag, and then just put it down. It's easier than fertilizer because it's not going to leave green stripes. This stuff works just on the bugs. It's not going to change the color of the grass, so it's a lot more user friendly if you put down too little or a little bit too much. I'm also wearing, this is a Miller, it's a welding mask, but it's rated for fumes, and I think it probably is rated for pesticide. You don't necessarily have to wear one of these. I like this one because it's so compact and it's easy to wear. And this product gives you a few different settings. You can do a high rate or a low rate, and they list out the kind of bugs. So if you're not sure, you can always start with the low rate, but for me, I know I've got both kinds, so I am going to use the medium rate. You should always follow the directions on the bag, which recommend that you wear a respirator as well as gloves and wear long pants and long sleeves. Now unfortunately I cut corners here, and this really wasn't a good idea. Now here I've got about an acre of finished lawn, and I used 3 bags in total, which was pretty heavy, but I know this lawn has never been treated in the past, so I really wanted to make sure that I got a good solid treatment to get these bugs under control. The only other key to using this stuff successfully is it does need to be watered in. So once you put it down, run your sprinklers, whether they're manual or automatic, or you can wait if you know it's going to rain, but they say you shouldn't leave it down dry for more than 2 days. And this stuff works on contact, so the minute it gets watered down, it's going to begin to kill the insects. And always read the bag, but they recommend keeping off the grass until the product is totally dry. Now for me, I watered it in, and then I waited 24 hours, and then we went back and used the lawn as normal. And here's my lawn just a week later. Now of course the lawn is not totally restored because no product can restore totally dead grass. And most importantly, I stopped the damage. Now I can fertilize, water regularly, and my lawn will have a chance to recover and begin to thrive. If your lawn is looking bad right now, brown or dying, you definitely want to consider insect control. This is the most common thing that a professional will do when they come out to your lawn that homeowners almost always forget about. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already for more videos coming up.